Alright, I'm going to try a new screen here to make everything look more crisp for you. So we're going to go through on how to find Iqbal and what that looks like, because a lot of students have been struggling with what to do when it comes to Iqbal. And we've already had 2 assessments on it, and there's several more to come. So I want to make sure everyone is on the right track here. So when your child signs in to Google Classroom, so we're on Google Classroom right now. This is approximately the screen they'll get depending on what class period they're in. So right now we're on the stream, and it shows everything that's been posted for the class. It shows the vocab quiz we're going to have on Wednesday. It gives the words right here. They can click on that and find the words. Also, if you click on classwork, it shows up on this screen. So you have all of these different items that have been posted throughout the class. And for them, when they see this dark blue here will be a light blue if they have turned it in already. If they haven't turned it in, it'll stay in this dark blue form. Now if we go to the top here, when they first log in and they click on classwork, they're going to see the top here. This exit ticket, this is Iqbal. So if you click on the exit ticket, it's going to show, for them it'll just show the vocab here. Then they have to click view assignment. If they don't click view assignment, they can't see this next part. That goes for a lot of the assignments that are through here. If you click on them and you don't click view assignment, you're not going to see everything that shows up there. So you need to make sure they click view assignment to see everything. And once they click view assignment, they'll see the warm-up and exit ticket. So if they go ahead and click on that, and that'll come up, and it'll show you how to set up your warm-up. So here's an example. If it was warm-up 1, this is what you would title it. There's some other information in here, how to do exit tickets, and then if we scroll down, we're looking at Iqbal silent reading questions. Now your child should already have both a summary and answer the questions for chapter 1 and for chapter 2 and 3. Those are already assessments that were looked at. So those should all be written in. They should have a lot of information in there for that. Then if we scroll down here, they're starting on chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so as they are reading those chapters, they should be writing a summary. They should be answering these questions and going through it like that. And if you look, this document is a working document. It goes through the entire book. Every chapter's questions are already written on here. Alright, so they have it all in one spot. So they should know how to get to this screen. And this is where they should be putting in all their information. And every chapter they should be writing a summary of what's going on. A summary should be on every single one of these, as well as the assignments. Some of the earlier questions were basic questions. They were simple. They were just to set up the book. So if you look, like, where does Iqbal come from? Why do you think Hussein hires children for his factory? Then you have some prediction questions. Chapter 2 and 3, who are Iqbal's parents? Why was he sold? So it's giving the background and giving you kind of a gist of what the story is like. And then there's some creative assignments. Create a conversation between Iqbal's parents when they made the decision to sell Iqbal. And then it starts to get even a little more creative with some of these new assignments. So after one question says, write a journal entry about something that you believe in as much as Iqbal does. Or create a visual representation, a picture of Iqbal and the children in the tomb. That one, obviously, you can do that. They can do that on paper. They could also do that on the computer. I know some students like to draw on the computer. So they should know how to get to this. But if they don't, you can bring them to this video and have them walk through and make sure that they are getting these assignments done.